Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excited that you're here because it is time for one of our favorite things, a haul. Alright, so a lot of these pieces I got on sale. Everybody's doing Black Friday sales right now. I know Black Friday is tomorrow actually, but so many stores have already started their Black Friday sales. So I've kind of been checking things out for like the last week or so. And I got some really good pieces. Now let me just show you guys. I got a good mix. I got some sale pieces from Banana Republic, and then I got a couple pieces from Zara. So let me just show you the pieces that I got on sale. This first piece is a gorgeous satin effect dress. It's not actually satin, which I thought was a huge bummer because when I first saw this dress, it was actually like the full price is $159. And I know I talk to you guys all the time about making sure that you check out the fabrics and what your clothes are made of. But the sad truth of it all is that a lot of these clothes are made out of polyester. So unless we like literally seek out certain fabrics in these everyday stores that we go into, a lot of the clothing is made out of polyester, especially like the fast fashion stores. Now, I guess I wouldn't really consider Banana Republic fast fashion. It is a more sophisticated brand and they don't constantly change their, they don't have like a new drop of items every single week, but the turnover is there. So I can understand that they use polyester because of the way they have to provide like new styles every so often. But anyway, I really did love this dress, but I knew that I was gonna have to compromise on the fabric. Even though it looks like satin, it is 100% polyester. So that's something to know if you guys are shopping and you wanna stick to certain fabrics. This may or may not be the item for you, but it is very flattering and I was able to catch it on sale, so I was glad about that. And I actually have a not camo, it's an olive color. I have an olive color dress that is sort of a similar shape, and I styled it in an outfits of the week sometime over the summer. If you guys want to check that dress out, I'll link it in the cards here for you to watch. I love that dress. So when I saw this one, I knew I was gonna love the way this fit and I was gonna love the way it looked on me. So I was happy about it, happy that it was on sale. Now I actually got this one in a size 14, and I got that green dress and I think in a size 14 as well. Just because, first of all, it was on the sale rack and they didn't have a lot of sizes to pick from, but because it drapes just really nicely over the body, and if it has a waist, like it cinches in at the waist, then I can kind of get away with making it work, even if it's a little bit bigger. Now, generally, I probably would have got a size 12. I'm a 10, 12, and I probably would have got this in a 12 had they had it, but a 14 was just fine. It's just a little bit bigger, but also I don't have to worry about it pulling across my chest, so that's great. And I was kind of concerned that if I did get a 12, it was gonna fold just a little bit shorter, and I love when these dresses are as long as possible. I actually prefer them to skim the floor, but this one was still a really good length, nice and long. I have the drama there. It has pockets, oh my gosh, love that. And I'm gonna style this. I'm gonna see how I can fit this into my winter wardrobe, because I told you guys before that here in Georgia, we've been having some pretty warm days. So even though it's really cool in the morning and in the evening, during the day, sometimes it's like high 70s or mid 70s. So I'm gonna figure out how I can winterize this dress for you guys and show you some ways that you can too. I'm excited for that, but of course, simple pair of sneakers and a denim jacket is gonna just pair really nicely with this. Next up, I got this gorgeous pleated skirt. You guys know I'm obsessed with pleated skirts. I have quite a few in my collection already, and so I figured what's one more gonna hurt? I don't have one in this color. This is so cute. When I saw it on the rack, I just was like, let me try it on. And I'm glad I did because it's very flattering. I love the cut, I love the color. Everything about it is just really nice. So it's not much to say about pleated skirts other than they're really great to have in your wardrobe, especially if you're a curvy girl. Extremely flattering. You can wear them to work. You can dress them down, with just a pair of sneakers or some sandals or something really casual like a t-shirt and a denim jacket, like I said before. Easy to style, and they go with so many things. Now, I didn't have this color in my wardrobe. This is not a basic by any means. This is definitely a statement. So if that's not your speed, I can understand that. But just in general, pleated skirts are just really fabulous. And I do personally love this shade. And you guys, if you are a deep skin tone, this shade is gonna be so gorgeous on you. I mean, I think it looks great on me, but if I had a tan, I feel like it would just like be another level. So I'm excited for the summer to wear this, but I'm actually gonna be wearing it right now in the winter because I just feel like I need to. It's so cute. I actually have a sweater, a cropped sweater that I got years ago from Free People, actually. I'm gonna see how it looks with this because I've actually never even worn this sweater, but I love it so much I don't wanna get rid of it. So it might be cute with this. Anyway, I'm gonna see what I can do with this, and then I'm gonna style it up for you guys in another video. All right, so let me show you guys the pieces that I got from Zara. None of these pieces were on sale, but I really fell in love with them. So I figured, let me just go ahead and get them and show you guys. Now, this first cardigan is really cute. Now, this is something that I am gonna wear outside, but actually this is gonna be super cute as loungewear as well. And right now, I've been really in this whole cozy knit vibe, and I think that's what I'm gonna just kind of like, you know, get more of into my wardrobe, because I do find that I don't have a lot of pieces that are just like, you know, throw on and go. Like, I still want to look really put together, but I want to have like really casual pieces that look really polished and put together, not just super dressed up looks that I've kind of like taken down. I also want to have really casual loungewear that looks so really put together. So I'm excited for these knits, and I think this is really gorgeous. Of course, I can wear this to work. I can wear this with jeans. I mean, this is something that's gonna be really easy to style, but it's a nice classic, a nice basic, an easy cardigan. You can't go wrong with that. A great shade. And this one was 40 bucks, so that's not bad at all for a cardigan. And it's pretty thick, so I think it's gonna be really warm. The next thing I got were these knit joggers. You guys, I'm really obsessed with these, I love the fit. I like how thick they are. Very thick. They're very flattering on the waist. If you're a curvy girl, these are a good pair to try because they're so flattering. Absolutely gorgeous. The color's nice. They call it mink, and I really like the name. I think that's just a fabulous color, mink, you know, like a mink coat, but the color's mink. Anyway, super cute. And I actually have the matching turtleneck. If you guys haven't seen, I think it was my last Zara haul, I'll link it here in the cards for you guys to check out. But I showed you guys the mink turtleneck that I have. It was a short sleeve turtleneck, and it pairs perfectly with these. So stay tuned. I'm gonna probably feature that look in maybe like an outfits of the week or like another styling video, so stay tuned. But you guys, this looks so cute with that turtleneck. But they also have a hoodie that goes with it. When I was in Zara, I saw the hoodie, but I was like really hung up on wearing it with the turtleneck that I have. But if you guys are looking for, you know, more of a sweatsuit sort of vibe, then the hoodie was really cute. Online, they didn't have that many sizes, but when I was in the actual store, they had a bunch. So check you guys' local Zara, and I'm sure you're gonna find something. But this also came in another shade, ecru, and I'm actually waiting for that to come in the mail. Now, I've been really into tie-dye, but I haven't found any pieces to like really incorporate into my wardrobe. I do have one other tie-dye sweatshirt that I got from like H&M a while back, but besides that, I really don't have any other tie-dye pieces. So when I saw this, I was like, this is so cute. Come to find out, they actually have this styled exactly this way on the website. So anyway, when you guys go to order these, you'll see. But love this, super cozy, really nice. This is a great everyday basic. Lounge at home, throw it on with jeans, sneakers, you know what I mean? But it's just a nice color. I love the grayish kind of color that it has. And it has a little bit of a darker gray, but it almost has like a purple tone, like a grayish purpley tone, and I really like that. So this is super cute. And then I paired it back to these biker shorts. Love. I actually have been wanting a pair of biker shorts for a long time, but I could really never find a pair that I felt, first of all, that I liked enough to even get. I wanted a pair that was comfortable and that wasn't too tight around the thigh. And if you guys know what I mean, because this, you see how it has this little like band, like it has some stitching right here. It's kind of dark, maybe I'll show you the lighter part here. Can you see it here? It has a little bit of stitching right here. That part kind of like is a little bit tighter than the rest of the fabric because of the stitching, so it kind of like it like makes your thigh look like fat in a weird place. And I always wanted to avoid that, so I couldn't find any that I absolutely loved. But I really like these. They're nice and stretchy, they're not see-through, and I can see myself lounging at home in this set. But if I needed to, I can just throw on a pair of sneakers and run out the door if I need to go to the supermarket, or if I'm just having a casual day at a friend's house, you know? So that's the kind of like loungy clothes that I want to have. I want to be able to like accept packages. If the mailman came, I don't have to run for my robe. I want to be like put together, but super chic and comfy. The last piece that I got from Zara, I actually didn't even try on. I'm just gonna show you guys here, and then I'll show you guys how it looks on the model on the website. These were a little bit too short for me to show on camera, which I don't mind as far as like home loungewear sort of things. I don't care if they're really short. But I just, overall, I didn't really care that much for them. I didn't really care to keep them. They are really nice, but I do have my eye on another pair of knit shorts and a sweater from Zara. These are cute. The top was cute. The whole set is really cute. But overall, if I had to pick between this one and the other one, I just prefer the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and return these. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is a piece of homeware. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this. But if you don't, then you should be following me, because I do show you guys a lot of things ahead of time over on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram linked in the description box. So head over there and follow me and check out some of my photos, you know? Show you guys some love. Give me a like. But I got this candle from Jo Malone. Now, I'm excited about this candle, and I'm going to show you guys why. Well, actually, before I show you guys the candle, I'm going to show you like these cute little samples. I thought this box was super cute. I actually undid all the packaging already, so it's not as nice as when I first got it. But I thought their packaging is just really cute. Now, this is just a sample, but I just thought that this was nice. And that's the kind of thing that I like when, first of all, when you're luxury shopping, and second of all, when you're just shopping in general. It's really nice to be able to like unbox something and just have that whole experience. So I just really appreciated that. So in the little package is just a couple of samples of hand wash and lotion, and then a couple of their fragrances. The wood, sage, and sea salt, and what do we have here? Myrrh and tonka. I haven't smelled these yet, so I'll let you guys know. I feel like I've smelled the wood, sage, and sea salt before though. But they have really nice fragrances. Everything smells really good. But I have now become a huger fan of the candles, and that's what I have in this box here that I'm gonna show you guys. The bow looked a lot prettier. I tried to put it back on for you guys, but I don't think it worked out. Really nice box, packaging gorgeous. It was laying flat, nice in the box, but I kind of messed it up. But here is my candle. And you see at the bottom, it has Park Avenue engraved on there. Now this candle's from Nordstrom, and every once in a while Nordstrom has engravers there. Sometimes they'll be engraving fragrance, and sometimes they'll be able to engrave candles. Actually, this is actually the first time I've seen them do the candles, but I have seen them do the fragrance many times in the past. And I know they have like scent events where I think that only happens once, maybe even twice a year. Don't quote me, but they do have scent events where they have the engravers come in and they can put whatever you want on a fragrance. So that's a good time to get a gift as well, if you guys want to do that, or just like treat yourself. I've had fragrance where I've just put my name on it just cause I think it's a nice little touch. And a lot of fragrances are very popular, so it just makes it more me, even though the scent is not like specifically designed for me. And of course, everybody's scent is gonna be different because your chemistry is different, but it's just nice to customize the bottle. It just, again, elevating the whole experience, even when you're at home and nobody's watching, it's just doing it for you. So this is in the scent Mimosa and Cardamom. So good. This one is so good. Like I said before, I wasn't really into Jo Malone like that, but now I'm hooked. I'm kind of obsessed. So I'm looking forward to getting more candles, and I really love this one. It smells so good, and the packaging is just so cute. So love that. Glad I'm able to add this to my collection. So that's it for this haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what pieces were your favorite, and let me know, are you guys like gonna shop these Black Friday sales? I kind of feel like I just wanted to take my time and like ease into things, see what was out there, and since all the deals were available very early, it just made everything a lot easier. So let me know if you guys are gonna actually be out there shopping in the stores on Black Friday and everything opens. Like, I think the malls around here are gonna open at like 6 a.m. something like that, very early. I'm not gonna be there. I'm gonna probably be in bed at that time, but let me know if you guys are gonna head out and check some of the deals, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, come join me. I would love to have you, and turn your notification bells on so you don't miss any other uploads. I don't want you guys to miss anything because I do have a lot more content coming up that I'm really excited to share with you. And if you haven't already, follow me on some of my other socials. Pinterest is a great place to follow me because I do upload pictures individually, so that way it helps you build your boards however you want to see them, so you don't have to go back through tons of my videos unless you want to. And don't forget, head over to my Instagram as well if you want to check out some of my photos. I do share a little bit more in my stories there, so it's great if you want to catch up on a more everyday basis with me. But I'll have the links to everything everywhere you can find me in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.